Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get 94 OVR Sunil Chhetri in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open the store and top events. You can tap it and try to search the ISL pack. So you get 10 ISL player with 65 plus OVR, and then for bonus you get Sunil Chhetri. So he is a legendary player from India. He got 94 OVR with 99 pace, 97 dribbling, and 97 shooting and 93 dribbling. And also he got power header and long shot taker traits. So please feel to try to get this a Sunil Chhetri with only 2000 gems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.